Here I have OPPO Reno4 Z 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So for the first thing, you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. Here it is. By tapping on it once, you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can switch it here. You can add schedule for this mode here. So you can basically select the start time, the end time, and when this schedule must be repeated, at which days. You can add exceptions for this mode, for example, allow notification, drawer and other notification types, status bar notification, banners, lock screen notifications, and wake screen. You can don't wake screen, or you just don't allow any lock screen notification badges. No exceptions for that. You can allow messages from anyone, from contacts only, from the shared contacts, or from nobody. The same goes for calls. You also have the option ring for repeat calls. A second call from the same number within 3 minutes will not be silenced. And you can silence media when Do Not Disturb is on. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.